Hi everyone, I'm Carla and today with my colleague Barbara we are going to talk about the impact of AI on universities, focusing also on the role of AI support in AI-driven universities. The integration of artificial intelligence in universities has undoubtedly transformed the landscape of education, offering much more experiences and opportunities for personalized learning, but also for a better administrative efficiency. However, there's a main point that must not be forgot, and it is the diminishing human touch caused by AI that particularly affects students. One of the primary challenges is the loss of human connections in educational settings. While AI excels at delivering personalized contents and assessments, it often it often lacks the emotional intelligence and also the empathy that in general is a characteristic of human educators. Students may find themselves valorized by the mentorship, encouragement, and understanding that only a human educator and a human touch can provide. This gap in human interaction can be particularly pronounced in areas such as emotional support. AI algorithms may struggle to understand the intricacies and of individual emotions and also the complex nature of personal challenges that students have to face day by day. The absence of a compassionate human being can also leave students feeling isolated and overlooked, impacting in this way also on their mental health. On the other hand, there are also some benefits that AI apports to student experience, such as personalized learning paths, immediate feedback, and also efficient administrative processes. Automated systems can optimize tasks like grading, scheduling, and resource allocation, freeing up valuable time for educators to focus on fostering meaningful connections with their students. To address these concerns, universities must find a delicate balance between the benefits of AI and preserving the essential human touch. I think that the crucial point is to design an AI system that can complete then rather than replace human educators. This involves integrating AI to handle routine administrative tasks and provide personalized learning experiences while preserving opportunities for human interaction. Moreover, investing in training programs for educators to understand and effectively collaborate with the AI can bridge the gap between technology and human touch. Emphasizing the importance of empathy, mentorship, and emotional support in educational process becomes important to create a well-rounded learning environment for students. In conclusion, while AI-driven universities offer remarkable advancements in education, the potential loss of the human touch should not be underestimated. Striking an harmonious balance between AI efficiency and the human connection is essential for creating an educational environment that not only imparts knowledge but also takes care of the well-being of students.
In an AI-driven university, AI support plays a pivotal role in various aspects of a student life and administrative functions. AI serves as a valuable companion, offering assistance and enhancing the overall educational experience. One significant area where AI excels is personalized learning. AI algorithms analyze students' learning patterns, preferences, and strengths to tailor educational content and delivery methods. This adaptive approach ensures that each student receives a customized learning experience, optimizing their understanding of the material. Administratively, AI streamlines processes such as enrollment, scheduling, or grading. Automation of routine tasks allows university staff to focus on more complex responsibilities and personal interactions with students. This efficiency contributes to a smoother operation of the educational institution. Moreover, AI driven chatbots and virtual assistants provide students with instant support. Whether it's answering queries about coursework, providing information on campus services, or guiding students through administrative procedures, these AI driven interfaces offer quick and accessible assistance 24 per 7. However, it's crucial to navigate the integration of AI support thoughtfully. While AI can excel in certain domains, there are limits to its understanding and adaptability. The challenge lies in maintaining a balance that harnesses the efficiency of AI while preserving the irreplaceable human elements of mentorship, emotional support, and nuanced understanding. In a sense, AI support in AI driven universities serves as a powerful tool to enhance learning experiences and streamline administrative tasks. The key is to implement AI in a way that complements human interaction, fostering an educational environment that is efficient, adaptive, and supportive.